G'day guys, I'm Guy Tellon from Bondi Harvest, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an umami braised oyster blade. The oyster blade is a relatively tough piece of meat, but treated well and treated with proper technique, you can get a lot of flavour in there and you can make a beautiful, slow-cooked, falling apart bit of beef that is absolutely to die for. All of these stunning ingredients are going to cook in this awesome Caribbean blue La Crozette crock pot until this gorgeous oyster blade is tender and falling apart. There are two things in a kitchen that you should never skimp on and go cheap, and that is with your pots and pans and your knives. Buy quality and they'll last you a lifetime, and for me, La Crozette represents that. Buy it once, look after it, and you'll have it forever. So our first step is to do all of our mise en place. So what we're going to do is we're going to chop up some onion, some garlic. Season your oyster blade with a lot of salt and pepper. This cut of beef really holds that salt, holds that pepper, and it can handle quite a lot. From there, in a heavy base pot, add a little bit of olive oil and season and colour your beef until it's golden brown all over. Remove your beef and put it aside. From there, we're going to add in our onions and garlic. We're going to cook that until it's tender and translucent. We're going to stop that cooking process with good quality beef stock. To infuse that beef stock with some miso paste, pine mushroom, shiitake mushroom, coriander, and some sea spinach or wakame. All of these flavours are full of umami, and that flavour is going to impart into your beef as we cook it slow and low. Add your beef back into that beautiful stock. Put a lid on, turn your stove down, and cook that beef in your cast iron pot for at least 5 to 6 hours. You want that beef to be falling apart, delicious and unctuous and winter worthy.